Hi guys, welcome to my video of how to make paper mache. And here are the materials needed. We got a bowl of water. We got a bowl of shredded paper. We got our molding bowl for molding the paper and the water. This is glue for the mixing. This is our bowl for dumping the glue. And this is the bowl for mixing for separating the water from the paper. So let's start. We are going to dump this bowl of shredded paper into this water first, so we can start the mixing process. Oh no. Yeah. Let's just clean this up a bit because it got all over my outfit for today's video. So let's just soak it for a while, and I think we need to make this stay for a while. So I'm not gonna talk for maybe 10 minutes. So let's go. Oh, I forgot. We actually need this bowl to dump this glue. So we're gonna
Ito yan sa kapapagwas na nagulong yung papel.
i-dump ko lang para i-work ko lang.
Hindi mo na kasi magkagwas.
I made a big mistake.
Mali na naman eh. Pupul na naman.
Yan ako lang
Explain mo lang muna. I-off mo muna yan. Explain mo lang muna kung ano mga materials needed. Here are the materials needed. The
Nasuko
shredded
na
paper.
kasi.
Okay lang. The shredded paper. The glue. Ganun dapat.
Ow, ah.